What's up guys, Cheatle with HiLite Fitness coming at you with another video. New videos out every Sunday. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. So let's just get right into it. These are called Meadows Rows. I believe they're from professional bodybuilder John Meadows. And the great thing about these is you don't really have to worry about stabilizing too much because when you're using the T-bar like this, it's attached to the ground on the other end, so it really can't go anywhere else besides the plane that you're moving it in. It's great if you want to hit the upper back, so that'd be traps, rhomboids. Now that the back's all warmed up, we're going to switch it to a barbell incline bench press. It's really smart, especially if you're just starting out lifting, to do reps that look similar to this. So that means you have to pick a weight that you can do this with. Often people get way too caught up in the ego of the number on the bar, and they can't optimally stretch and contract the muscle, which in the long run is going to be what actually gets you to build muscle. Next up, we got a single arm dumbbell row. It's important to note when you're rowing that it looks more like you're rowing a boat, so you can see how far the dumbbell is at the start of the movement forward than where it ends up at the back. It's a pretty big distance because I'm pulling it backwards, or like I'm rowing a boat. Too many people pull it directly up and then set it right back to where it was. That's not going to optimally contract your back. You're gonna need a much bigger elbow angle. You can see how my elbow is at about 90 degrees when I pull back. If it were any shorter than that, it'd start turning into a bicep movement. Whenever I have these upper body days, I like to go with antagonistic muscles right after each other, so usually a pull, push, and just in that fashion. So we just did a pull, so now we're doing a single arm standing dumbbell press. I like doing them single arm because it just helps me connect to the shoulder a bit more. Whenever I do both at the same time, one of my shoulders almost always takes over the other one. Specifically the left, so I like just doing it one arm at a time. Also, I'm trying to brace with my abdomen there, so I'm holding my torso with my hand to make sure that I'm bracing properly. Gonna get a little bit of arms in at the end of this. We got a cable tricep pushdown. Most important thing in almost every single arm movement is keep the elbow exactly where it is, on the positive and on the negative. If the elbow moves, everything else moves, and you lose tension, and in this case, your tricep. Personally, when it comes to my bicep, I like doing them independently like this. So again, that just means one arm at a time. Whenever I do like a barbell deadlift or even a cable barbell deadlift, I tend to lose tension in one more than the other. So I like doing them like this. Takes a little bit more time, but I feel is very effective, or at least more effective than the other way around. And that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and new video coming out every Sunday.